Now this hot bird is bad, some bad stuff. It's got a beautiful purple and flame two-tone jobby on it here. Look at that, look at that purple, isn't that sweet? That's some sweet to eat. Grapefruit soda something. Looks kind of reminds me of grapefruit. Grapes, purple grapes or grape juice. Yummy. Then when you add the flames, you got Tabasco sauce and grape juice. That's what this is. That's what you can consider it as is. It is missing the Firebird. Every Firebird Trans Am has to have a Firebird, and this doesn't have it. But that's okay. We'll take it as is and run with it.